In today's fast-paced digital landscape, staying ahead of trends is crucial. Let's dive into the latest in HD video creation. First, consider the power of 4K resolution. It's not just about clarity, it enhances viewer engagement. Use high dynamic range HDR to bring your colors to life, making your content pop. Next, explore the trend of vertical video. With the rise of mobile viewing, adapting your content to fit this format can significantly boost your reach. Remember, storytelling is key. Craft narratives that resonate with your audience, using techniques like jump cuts and dynamic transitions to maintain interest. Don't overlook the importance of sound design. Crisp audio can elevate your video from good to great. Invest in quality microphones and consider background music that complements your theme without overpowering your message. Lastly, leverage analytics. Understanding viewer behavior can guide your content strategy, helping you refine your approach and maximize engagement. Embrace these trends, and you'll not only create visually stunning videos but also connect more deeply with your audience.